The sun is so hot. The skies look so clear but so hot. Date 9 September. It is summer season. Trees have shed their leaves. It is damn hot. Trust me, it is damn hot. Some are indoors, some are working, some are eating, some are sleeping, and some are talking like I am doing. So, my question is, what are you doing on your side? What are you doing on your side? The trees have shed their leaves and everything looks so off. But that is the nature for you. We are not complaining. We are just grateful for the gift of life, good health, sweet voice too. Yeah, sweet voice too. And for the care God have taken for us, we're so grateful. Who does that except our God? I'm so grateful. So that's the nature for you, and we are not complaining because every situation is just for a season. This is just a season and it wanna pass. So my message today is, today you are lamenting, today you are happy, today you are mourning, today you are not okay, in short. But that is not forever. It's not permanent. It's just for a season. Like we experience dry spell during dry seasons, that is summer seasons, and winter too, and rainy season. And we harvest good harvest for those who have worked hard. So guys, in every situation, just be grateful for the little that you have, like a good health. If you are okay, just thank God. Even if the sun is so hot or anything, just thank God for everything, for the little that you have. And guys, just work hard and pray. You can be out of the situation or the environment that you are in, and you can be in a better place. I trust that working hard pays. Working hard and praying hard too pays. This is my first videos, and I hope guys you wanna support my channel by subscribing, liking, share and commenting. I'll be so grateful guys. Actually, I'm coming from my village, that is in Embu KE, and hoping my videos wanna inspire someone out there. I'm not doing this for fun or for fame. I just felt that there is a soul calling me out there. I just felt that there is a soul calling me there that wanna be inspired. Everything looks off, but that's the nature for you. There is a road nearby, guys. Let me just show you how it looks, because it is so dusty and let me know how you survive there, out there, if you are from the village or you are near a street. How do you survive, guys? Which is the best color to be dressing in these dusty seasons? If you don't have your private traveling machine, that is, how do you manage, guys? Please support my channel. I'll be so grateful. Just see, so dusty. Oh my god, OMG, it is so dusty. Nasty, nasty, make you nasty. Nasty, nasty, you can see it is very dusty indeed. But that's the nature for you. We are so grateful for good health. This is my village. How, guys, do you survive in a place where there is no tarmac roads? Like, it's just maram roads. But it is not that this place is so remote. The market is just so near and the tarmac road. This road leads to the tarmac road. That is to the main road and to the market. Our market is called Moraro in Embu KE. +254, niko na maplus kibao. Here is the road for you. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Purity Ngari. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. Help me hit 1,000 subs. That is my goal for now. Actually, this is my first video and I'm coming live from my village, that is in Embu KE, and here in the village I do farming. So welcome to my journey. Lifestyle in the village, surviving in the village, that is not easy. Surviving in a place where there is no enough water, dusty since it is summer season, sparsely populated. Yeah, like you are just in the bush. Welcome to my livelihood. Man and houses and so on. Welcome. Be my friend. Let's get to know each other. Please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you. Bye.